parked. That's awesome. Let's do something. For example, pay for the parking. How long do we want to stay? No, it's fine. I know we are staging property, but let's check what they're playing. You need to make an episode, I know. What they are showing now. Flash, Transformers, new ones. Spider-Man.
Transformers?
Asteroid City, 8 p.m. That's us. Or casino, I don't know. We have so many options. Aberdeen is a big city. We are looking for a place to eat now. We are hungry, so what's here? Would you like some pizza or lasagna or something? Okay, let's go. Hi. Yeah. Can we have table for two for someone? What is that?
It's a raspberry lemonade.
Pizza, pasta, and penne. I'm gonna go for a linguine carbonara. Non-alcoholic. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay. Let's go. But where is the shop? There must be some, because we don't want to drive to another shop. I used to have a food truck business. It was speeding up, unfortunately, in the wrong direction. Okay, I need to buy a new t-shirt. What color would suit me? White? This white?
Green.
Just white? I don't have any white ones, but... Okay, so this is my size M. Okay, let's go.
You are?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Bye-bye. So yeah, so we got a t-shirt. I've never bought a white t-shirt. But it's so funny because I've seen this somewhere on Facebook. There was like this musician, playing somewhere, and nobody noticed him. And after they were buying high tickets to see him, but nobody see him in the mall because people see what they want to see.
The red sun rose this morning. Dark skies pronounce your warning. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide.
So we are just back. We have a shopping. We're gonna eat. We're gonna drink water, and we're gonna do some assembling.
Because it says in the instruction that is most difficult part from all of them.
Did it say in the instruction?
That way it probably took me so long. It says most difficult part from all.
Okay, so mics are working. This is how it looks like. So far, so good. There's our video editor. It's just getting ready. It's a morning. 9 a.m. For some it's really morning, so for some people already work 2 hours. Like this guy. This works already 2 hours, yeah? Just, But yesterday, Maciek was pushing hard, He was the one who was working, right? Okay, so let's go to the wall. Let's discover Aberdeen. Let's get caffeinated. We will be in touch.
So we're getting
more to life than just 3-second video.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're gonna grab a coffee, and then we're going to
buy things.
Just like that.
So
That's mine.
Semi-skimmed, yeah?
Semi-skimmed yours?
No.
No,
It's a normal Corolla.
Okay, so can you say normal, regular?
Kettle, microwave, and one more thing there was.
There's no toaster.
Sure. New property, we just did it, staged it, prepared it. It's very nice, I really like it. Have a look around, like this beautiful sofa. It is a day bed which can be extended. So we put all these flowers, cornflakes. We can feed them nice cornflakes. Over here, obviously we have a bathroom, a standard bathroom, you know, it's nice. So this is the master bedroom. I really like to put the bright colors like yellow because it's gonna show on your photos when the professional photographer will come, and it's gonna be on Airbnb, it's gonna be very visible. So this is the key, yeah? So the property is gonna pop out. And yeah, that's it. This is just one bedroom property. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching. It was awesome.